Number 16 na makikita niyo sa mga yung sinasabing lang Old Town here in Takayama. Ay, baka ganyan lang. So this is dango daw, friend. Dango is made of what? Kamote? Habang naghihintay kami. Kain muna tayong dango. Ayan, no? Nausok pa, friend. Masarap siya. Masarap niya, penny. May honeycomb. Oh.
Okay, try.
Okay, so let's try this.
Umubos niya.